Okay, this is lesson 3 of your Christmas ornaments. So you should have it all colored like this, okay? And notice I kept all my light sources on there. I have all the gleams, okay? And then the last step we're going to do is shadowing. And I'm going to use a black. You could use a gray if it's pretty dark, but I decided the black just worked better. So you're not going to press real hard with this though. And if you noticed, I did one, what we're going to do is shadows. And I did one, right there, okay? And so what you're going to do is everywhere where these touch. So here, 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 right in there, here, and there. You're going to put a shadow in, and I'll have you watch me do a couple of them. Okay, so right here, and I'm not going to press real hard. I'm just going to shade kind of in there. You can see that. Okay, I already did this one here in the middle. I'm going to do some right here. And don't go crazy. Just kind of right down in that little triangle shape. Okay, and then here. Okay, and here. And then since this one's in front, a little bit right there. Not much. And then this one, since more of it's down, tucked under, be like that. Okay, since that one's in front, there'd be a little bit here. Since this one's in front, there'd be a little bit there. Okay, that one's in front of that one, so there'd be a little bit there. Okay, and then a tiny little bit right here because that one's in front of that one. Okay, then the last thing I'm going to do is some shadows here at the bottom. So since my light source is on this side, let's see if I can. My light source is up here, okay, on that side over there. Okay, so that means my shadows are on this side because the light comes this way, shadows go here. So I'm going to put a little bit of shadow here, and I'm not going to go crazy. Don't go with big, humongous shadows, guys. So in between them, and then kind of like this. Okay, and you can see I did that one there already. And then the same way here, in between, and a little bit here. And then on this thing, there'd be just a little bit, and there'd be like a little bit like that. Okay, and then a little bit over here, and then let's see, a tiny little bit, maybe like that. It's closer here because that's not above it. Okay, that'd be my shadows. Then on this one over here, there'd be a little bit down here and a little bit here. This one's a little trickier, and a little bit there. Okay, kind of be the shadow on that thing. All right, so there's my shadows. Okay, so get those done and do all your shadows, and then we'll have one more lesson after that.